Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open and edit Word document in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Word document. Then firstly, I am save the document and firstly go to the file, go to the save as and go to the this PC, click and select desktop and you can choose this save as type on Word document. Now I am edit the file name. Then click save. Then now go to the Google Drive. Firstly, click the Google Apps menu and go to the Google Drive. Then click new and upload file upload. Then choose my Word document and click open. Then click upload. Then refresh the page. Now here are my Word document. Then click right on your mouse and go to the open with and click Google Docs. Now wait some moment. Now here you can see open and edit Word document in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.